Hello everybody, let me show you today how you can get Trust Wallet installed in your Android or iOS device. This is a cryptocurrency wallet that you can use to send and receive every crypto, or almost every crypto is available in there. Something really easy to do and it's normally really secure. I'm going to be making this tutorial using an Apple device, but you know that it's exactly the same if you're going to be using your Android cell phone. Now you want to go into the App Store or the Google Play Store. You want to go to search and you want to type right there, Trust Wallet. Now you want to download the app from there. And you need to wait a couple of minutes, depending on the time of your internet connection, until this is downloaded. Once the application is already downloaded, you want to open it. And from here, you want to go where you see Create a New Wallet. Now you can read right here the privacy policy and the terms of service. And then after that, you want to click into I have read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click into continue. And now you want to create a passcode. It's an extra layer of security when using the app. Now you can back up your wallet right now. In this step, you are going to see a secret phrase. There are 12 words that allow you to recover the wallet. I recommend you guys to write it down somewhere and to keep it really safe, because if by any time you lose your cell phone or anything else, you can recover your wallet and everything that is inside of there with these 12 words. So you have to make sure that if you lose your secret phrase, all your funds, every crypto, every money that you have in there is going to be lost forever. That if you share this phrase to anybody, your funds can get stolen, and that Trust Wallet support will never ask you for it. And click into continue. Now, here is your secret phrase. I'm going to blur it because I don't want to show it. But you want to copy all of these words right here and to type them down somewhere important. Click into continue. And now it's going to ask you to verify the secret phrase. You have to tap the words next to each other in the correct order as you see them before. Once you have done that, you can click into continue. And it's going to show you a small tutorial of how to use Trust Wallet with your cell phone. You can buy crypto by using credit cards. You can deposit even NFTs on it. And of course, you can deposit and transfer cryptocurrency with it. Now, when you open it for the first time, you are only going to see a couple of cryptocurrencies right here. But if you want to add any more, you want to click into the button underneath where you see Add Tokens. And from here, you want to select any cryptocurrency that you have or that you want to buy and to leave them in your Trust Wallet. Let's say, for example, something that I use a lot of the time, that is BAT. That is the cryptocurrency from the Brave web browser. If you don't know how to use it, I'm going to let you guys a link right here where you want to check it out. So you want to search for BAT. And here it is. BAT, Basic Attention Token. I want to activate it and click into Done. Now you're going to be able to see it right here on the home screen. Now you can see you can, for example, go into Bitcoin, and if you want to receive Bitcoin, you want to click into Receive, and this is going to show you the address that is going to be your wallet address to receive Bitcoin. You can also send it by clicking right here. You want to enter the recipient address and the Bitcoin amount that you want to send. Another thing that you can do, of course, as I told you before, is to buy cryptocurrency. You want to click into the button Buy. You want to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. For example, Bitcoin. You can enter the amount, and right here you can enter the providers that is going to be able to sell you this cryptocurrency. For example, into Bitcoin you have Binance Connect, MoonPay, Ramp, Mercury, Transact, Simplex. I only know a couple of them. That I know is MoonPay and Binance Connect, but I'm pretty sure that the rest are trust them as well. Now you know how to create a Trust Wallet account to send, receive, and to keep your cryptocurrency safe. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.